Hello everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia, a QA engineer. And in this video, I want to discuss about a tool which is very useful for all developers, for marketing specialists, for everybody to use at their workplace or for themselves to really improve their life and to become more productive. This tool is AI Studio, is accessible at aistudio.google.com, and you can do really a lot of things in this tool. As you can see, we have different sections on the left hand side, which allow you to create prompts, to stream real time, to have a starter for and build a web application or an application, to tune a model, and a library with the recording history of what were the latest prompts that you wrote. Also, you have a very useful list of prompt gallery that you can access with very useful prompt already written there for you, ready to use. Then you have documentation and the history of what has been built for this tool. On the right hand side, you can see that you can choose the model that you can use. We have the best new model, which is the Gemini 2.0 Flash and the Pro Experimental for the reasoning, which is the most intelligent tool to use. And we have also the lightweight model, Gemma 3, which recently just came out. So, for today's video, I'm gonna choose the 2.0 Pro Experimento, which is apparently the best. You have other possibility information to choose, which is the temperature, which generally is it allow creativity in the responses if you put more highest amount. I generally advise to keep it as it is, and other tools like code execution, function calling, etc. Also, some advanced setting related to the safety setting in general. Don't mess with those options in case you don't know how to use them. So let's start with create prompt. You have few options already there. Let's say that I want to create a prompt that allow me to build a new web application that generate scripts for a YouTube video. So what I'll do, I will write here, generate a prompt which allow me to build a web application to leverage AI to create a YouTube script. Then click to run. As you can see, it created a prompt which is very well detailed and that you can use to develop your app. It's very detailed and it give context of what you should need to give you a stack, technical consideration, additional features. It give you an example of a script generation and etc. Very useful tool to generate prompt. Second, you can go to the stream real time. In here, you have very interesting tools. First of all, one tool that really breakthrough for that is allowing to have a tutor on your hand just using this AI tool is the share your screen. You can basically have a consultant AI helping you on making anything because you can show your screen, ask question, and it can give you valuable answers. Let's use that. Let's share the screen. Hello, I'm Roberto, and I want to ask you for help on how to use Google AI Studio. Can you please help me?
Sure, I can help you with Google AI Studio. What specifically would you like to know?
I want to know what Stream Real Time is for and how best I can use it to for my business.
So you would like to know what the Stream Real-Time feature is for and how to best use it for your business. Is that correct?
Correct.
Stream Real-Time feature in Google AI Studio allows you to send audio or video input to the model and receive its response in real time. This is useful for applications that require immediate processing of input like live translation, captioning, or interactive conversations. Would you like to know more about its possible applications for your business?
Yes, I would like to know how to use this tool to help me develop a new app.
So you would like to use the Stream Real-Time tool to help you develop a new app. What kind of app are you thinking of creating?
I'm thinking to create a web app which allow to create a YouTube script leveraging AI.
So you want to create a web app that can create YouTube scripts using AI. Is there anything specific about this process that you would like help with?
No, please go yourself and tell me what is most appropriate.
So you would like me to provide the most appropriate way to use the Stream Real-Time tool for your specific goal of creating a web app for generating YouTube scripts. Is that correct?
Correct.
To best leverage Stream Real-Time for your YouTube script web app, you can use the audio input to take a user's spoken ideas or outline and then have the AI model generate a more detailed script. This could allow your web app to offer a more interactive and user-friendly experience. Would you like to explore this approach further, perhaps by discussing how to structure the prompts?
Yes.
Let's discuss how to structure the prompts. To get the best results from the AI model, it is important to provide clear and concise instructions. For instance, you might start with a prompt like, generate a YouTube script about topic, with a focus on specific aspect. Use a tone. Would you find this format helpful to start with?
Perfect. We can also chat with this tool and they can give an answer based on that, even looking at the screen, even so that basically you're allowing Google AI Studio to look at your screen and to give any informative responses based on your questions. Next, if you go to Stream Real Time, you can show your webcam to Gemini and you can ask question and it can respond based on what you see in the webcam. So it will basically see myself here and it would you can ask question about yourself or what about whatever you want to show. Maybe you want to show a boiler and you want to understand better about certain settings that you want to apply. That would be very interesting. You can basically use it like that. Or you can talk to Gemini in a real conversation. Let's try it. Hello, Gemini. Can you help me make $1 million within a week?
While I cannot directly help you make $1 million in a week, I can provide information on ways people have made large sums of money. Would you like to hear some of those?
Yes, but it should be within a week, maximum a month.
Okay, so you're looking for ways to potentially make $1 million within a week or a month at most. While it's very challenging, some strategies involve high-risk investments, starting a viral business, or having a high-value asset to sell. Would you like to explore those avenues further?
Yes, but no investment, just viral business.
You're interested in exploring how to create a viral business to potentially make $1 million within a week to a month without any upfront investment. This usually involves creating highly engaging content and leveraging social media. Is this along the lines of what you had in mind?
Yes.
All right. Creating viral content often involves identifying a unique niche, producing high quality videos or posts, and consistently engaging with your audience. Would you like me to elaborate more on any of these aspects?
Okay, as you can see, it works very, very well. Um, let's try to show Gemini, even though I'm already using the webcam, so I don't know if it will work. Uh, let's see. Maybe it will not work, but basically I told you what it uses for. So let's go next. With this next starter apps, you can map explorer, spatial understanding, and video analyzer. Let's start to understand spatial understanding. See what we require. Upload a photo and combine 2D or 3D spatial analysis with reasoning. Okay, let's try. Let's use this. Okay, sweet food. Let's see. Okay, great. You can see that all the elements are labeled as sweet food. What I can with it? What is the one? So basically, it gave me the value in terms of array of object of element is yellow. Okay. I'm not sure what I can with this information. Let's see. I'm not sure. Okay, you can ask and get an answer. Well, probably you can get an image that you, or something. It analyze an image basically, and basically you can ask question to the images and get an intelligent response on them. Next, let's see the video analyzer. We need to add to upload a video. You can add a video from. Let's see a video I've done. Manus AI video. You can ask question about the video and we can ask, for example, when I talked, in which part of the video I talk about, or you can say what are pros and cons of this video, or and how viral video become. That can be something interesting. Let's start to write how this YouTube was made and how likely is to viral and why. Let's see. I cannot fulfill this request. I can only set time codes for the video. Okay, kind of a question probably. Let's see where I talk about the implication of Manus AI in the AI industry. Let's test it. Okay, I cannot export this video via paragraph. Key moments. Okay. What can about this video? You can ask me to set time codes in the video associated with the text. Okay, set time codes. I change paragraph to this video. I come with this quest. I need the exact time codes and the text for each paragraph. Key moment. Okay, maybe I just know how to use it. Key moments. Let's say generate key moments. Sounds like something interesting if you want to make captions, timestamps in the video. Let's see if it's that it can do. We can see that it generated timestamps. Interesting. Interesting. It created a timestamp that you can could on your YouTube video. Very interesting. Something I can definitely use. Let's see what about the caption is. Generate AV caption. Interesting. Here they give a summary what they talk every basically dot seconds. Any meaningful moment. Paragraph. Let's see. Interesting. The first fully autonomous AI agent built by Chinese company, which can perform jobs. The presenter highlights its ability to bridge minds and action, deliver result in various tasks. Interesting. Table. Okay, interestingly, Wigner, an internal error has occurred. So is that part seems to be a bit buggy. Yeah, very interesting. Go to the next one. Map Explorer. Take me somewhere which is called Metropolitan. Let's see Metropolitan. Okay. Chongqing. Recommend place. Me Bari in Italy and what to do there. Let's see what it has to say. Oh, very interesting. It's a hidden gem. It's a in southern Italy on the Adriatic Sea. The old town Bari Vecchia has a maze of narrow streets, and it's known for the Basilica San Nicola, a likely pilgrimage site. Wow, you can ask question on the map. How cool is that? If you have to do a holiday, you could ask questions. Okay, let's say that I can park likely in the city center of Bari. I need somewhere close to Basilica of Saint Nicholas. Let's see what interesting. For check on specific parking advice, my recommendation to use internet search engines to find up-to-date parking information to buy. Okay, let's see. Basically, it focuses um, on the map itself, not on specific information inside the map. And by the way, very cool. Tune model. You can use basically what the model of Gemma using a structure prompt. Not really. I'm not got on this because so far I didn't tune a model. So, uh, but definitely something interested. I can do it in the next video. Can prepare it. But let's move on the next. The library is what here is basically the history that you can have in any other LLM with all the chat you had with this model. The prompt gallery. This is very interesting because based on what you have is an area of interest, you can use this prompt. For example, if you want to do math, solve a problem with math, you can use this prompt. You can ask mathematic questions, and this is basically will give you responses. Or let's bake to JSON. Imagine the recipe to JSON. Give me the recipe of a lasagna. Interesting. Okay. Introduction. Okay. I expected a JSON file. I think, okay, this was a prompt. Let's see the other prompt. Give me the formula for Poisson distribution in statistic. Let's see what it say. Okay, here give me more instruction on addition, subtraction. Then it also give me the formula for the Poisson distribution. Okay, it create worksheets based on what to do and the preparation to that, to how to perform that formula. Okay, Interesting if you want to for math. Code optimizer. This is an example. Okay, very interesting. You can use all this formula. Let's say game character, next clip, weather search. There are some prompts already there can use, ready to use. But if you want to create your own, you can go to create prompt. And that's it. Uh, in synthesis, I found part of the very interesting. If you want to have an AI that your own consultant or to make tutorial on some application, you can just make it watch your screen and ask question. That I think is the one of the most important part to most meaningful part to use Google AI Studio. How do you use AI Studio yourself? Let me know in the comment. You remember that you can also get the API key to develop with the Google AI with ICE through API. Here is the API documentation. And let me know in the comment how do you use Google Gemini? Do you have any other use case which I forgot to mention? Would really be curious on the comment. How do you use yourself Google AI Studio? How often do you use it? And what do you find useful more than other AIs like ChatGPT, Claude? I often notice people using Gemini rather than ChatGPT. I wonder if do you have a better use case for Google AI Studio? Let me know in the comment. Please like the video if you find it useful. Subscribe the channel because if you, this how my channel can discover and a new video I can provide you value like this. And that's it. See you in the next video.